All right, let's talk about a huge move in the crypto world. Tether, the biggest name in stablecoins, is making a massive play for the United States. And when I say massive, I mean they've got a plan to get 100 million Americans on board. It all kicks off with a brand new digital dollar. So, let's dive in and break this whole thing down.
So this really is the big question, isn't it? How on earth do you bring crypto payments to 100 million Americans? I mean, think about that number. That's not some niche product just for crypto enthusiasts. We're talking about a huge chunk of the country. Almost a third of all Americans using a totally new kind of digital money. Seriously, how do you even pull that off?
Well, here's their answer. It's surprisingly simple, at least on the surface. The entire strategy, the whole grand plan, it all comes down to a single product, a brand new stablecoin they're calling USAT. And this isn't just a rebrand. It's been built from the ground up, specifically for the US market.
Yeah, so this is way more than just another coin launch. You have to see it for what it is, a really calculated, strategic push into one of the most important financial markets in the world. And the key here? It's all being built on a foundation of regulation. Okay, just so we're all on the same page, let's do a super quick refresher on what a stablecoin even is. Basically, it's a crypto coin designed to not have those crazy price swings you see with Bitcoin. Its value is pegged, usually 1-to-1, to a stable asset like the US dollar. This makes it, way more practical for actual day-to-day stuff like payments.
Now, what's really crucial about USAT is how they're positioning it. It's not just for the US market, it's designed to be fully compliant with US regulations. They're working with a regulated bank, Anchorage Digital, and they're aiming to check all the boxes for laws like the proposed Genius Act. This is Tether basically shouting, hey, we're here to play by the rules. And get this, it's launching this December.
Okay, so you've got the product, but how do you go from a brand new coin to 100 million users? This is where the plan gets really, really interesting. The plan starts with a number you can't ignore, 51 million. That's how many active monthly users Rumble, the video platform, has right now in the US. And here's the kicker. Tether has already invested a ton of money into Rumble. So this isn't some potential audience they hope to reach, it's a built-in, ready-made starting point. But of course, 51 million is just the beginning. Tether's CEO has been very clear that they are actively investing in other social media and content platforms. Why? To find the other 49 million users they need. They're basically buying their way to that 100 million user mark. It's an acquisition strategy, pure and simple.
And there it is. That's the magic number, the final goal. You take Rumble's massive audience, you add in these new acquisitions, and suddenly you've got a plan to put USAT in front of 100 million Americans. This isn't just about growth. It's a straight-up land grab for the US market.
But, getting users in the door is only half the battle, right? You have to give them a reason to actually use this new digital dollar. And for Tether, the answer is simple and brilliant: the creator economy. This whole partnership just makes so much sense. You've got Tether bringing all the money and the crypto tech to the table. Then you have Rumble, which brings this huge built-in community of creators and their fans. Put them together, and what do you get? An instant digital economy. It's a way for creators to get paid and for fans to support them, and it's a direct shot across the bow at the old guard, like PayPal.
And listen, this isn't some pie-in-the-sky plan for 5 years from now. It is happening right now. In fact, this December, Rumble is rolling out a Bitcoin tipping feature for all its users, and guess who helped develop it? Tether. This is the very first, very real step in getting crypto payments integrated for those 51 million people.
Now, to really get the weight behind this move, you gotta zoom out a bit and look at just how big Tether already is. We're not talking about some scrappy startup here. This is a full-blown empire. I mean, just look at this. The numbers don't lie. Tether's main stablecoin, USDT, absolutely dwarfs its closest competitor, USDC. We're talking more than double the supply. They already own the global market, and now they're bringing all of that power, all of that muscle, into the US for this new push.
And if you think they're playing nice, just listen to their CEO, Paulo Arduino. He is not mincing words. He basically said they're going to hit the ground running and start taking market share from the very competitors who tried to take them down. I mean, wow. He's framing this as a fight, and it's a fight they plan on winning.
And it's not just about their US dollar stablecoin either. Look at their gold-backed token, XAUT. Its market size has tripled this year alone, blowing past $2.2 billion. This just goes to show they know how to build and scale different kinds of assets, which gives you a lot of confidence they can pull off this new USDAT project. So, okay, You've got the new regulated stablecoin. You've got the user acquisition strategy. And you've got Tether's massive market power. All of these pieces are coming together for a huge launch this winter.
So what's the timeline actually look like? Well, it's all happening fast. In mid-December, Rumble is set to roll out its new crypto wallet and turn on that Bitcoin tipping feature. And then, at the same time, Tether officially launches USAT. It's a perfectly coordinated blitz designed to end the year with a serious bang.
And all of this leaves us with one massive question. You've got a compliant stablecoin, a potential built-in user base of 100 million people, and a real-world use case with the creator economy. Could this be it? Is this the move that finally takes crypto payments mainstream in the US? I guess we're all about